Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 13th of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 20,070, up 76.8 points. Long build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 3,597 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 20,250, with OI increased by 93.63%, Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 20,000, with OI increased by 85.07%. Bank Nifty closed positive at 45,909.45, up 398.1 points. Short covering seen in Bank Nifty with decreased OI minus 3,760.8 contracts. Bank Nifty option buildups. Bank Nifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 46,000, with OI increased by 92.93%. Bank Nifty support or put option OI buildup at 45,900, with OI increased by 3,489.27%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 1,631.63 CR. DII today bought 849.86 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 1,268.83 CR in index futures. Also sold 31,406.75 CR in an index option. They bought 4,546.76 CR in stocks futures. And bought 357.74 CR in stocks option. Net sold 25,233.42 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 10,726 long contracts and closed 3,698 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 60,567 contracts compared to previous 46,143 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 15,191 long contracts and closed 40,954 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 81,393 contracts compared to previous minus 137,538 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII closed 358,006 call long and closed 127,953 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 485,959 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII closed 324,574 put long and closed 244,946 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 569,520 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 364,756 contracts compared to previous 561,377 contracts. And net call long is 360,838 contracts compared to previous 473,898 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is less than long side suggest that downside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.